Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, today we're going to be cleaning the bathroom. If you are new to this channel, what you can expect to find in this channel are great cleaning tips to help you clean and improve your home in a faster and more efficient way. So the products I'm going to be using is my, I love the Fabuloso Pet Drops disinfectant. I'm going to be using this in the toilets and in the drains, and I'm also going to be using the Flash bathroom spray. I love this product. I love how it smells in the bathroom as well. It works really well. These are my two main products that I'm going to be using throughout the bathroom. So let's begin. Flash spray. And then I'm gonna get my Minkay scrubber, that one. This one is specifically for the bathroom. Go. So that is the sink done. So what I'm going to do now is get my microfiber cloth, and I'm just going to buffer and dry it all over the surfaces. Sorry. And there you go, a nice clean sink. Whilst that's happening, what I'm going to do is for my drains, I'm just going to put the disinfectant down the sink. It's kind of tough doing it with one hand. Okay. And then I'm just going to open the drain and lift it. And then I'm just going to pour this down the drain, so that the drain smells nice and not horrible. Shower itself, sorry. I'm just going to do the whole thing anyway, sorry. So for the shower, I'm going to use the shower and the bathtub. I'm going to use the Flash Smolter spray again, and my Minkay. With the shower screen, not many people know this, but you can actually take this part off. This is where all the lime scale tends to build up and stay, so you can actually take it off. And then I'm going to use some Viacol to work on the soap and the grime that's on here and the screen. So for any hard water and any lime scale, hard lime scale, I love to use Viacol. Lime scale buildup and a bit of soap. It's just the color is actually gone up like a brownish, orangish color. But hopefully I can get rid of the discoloration. Spray it with a bit of Viacol. My screen is actually not that dirty, to be honest, but spray it with a bit of Viacol. Sorry about the lighting. The bathroom does not have the best lighting for camera. But I hope you can actually see that. Again, sorry about the quality of the video. The lighting in the bathroom is not the best, but yeah, so I have sprayed the shower screen with Viacol, and hopefully Viacol, gets rid of all the water stains, but the screen itself wasn't that bad. It wasn't that bad. The one that I was kind of concerned about was the lining of the shower. This one, it's got a bit of discoloration in it, but I think it's just how it's been over the years. It's not dirty, but the screen it did have a bit of you know, soap and grime and stuff, but nothing that Viacol can't take off. So this is the stuff that I was talking about, but you can actually see it at the base of the, see over here. So this is what I'm trying to get rid of. So yeah, so Viacol is great for like all these watermarks. I'm gonna actually just spray a bit more. And then right here on the grime. So I'm just gonna use my Minke scrubber on the whole screen. On the tap, I've got my flash spray. Show it. All the way up. So again, I'm just going to wipe off all the excess product on the other side of the Minke scrubber. On the edges of the. Now we're going to go back into the shower screen and the lime scale. I'm now going to just use the Minke scrubber again just to remove the grime that was built up on the side of the door, like so. It has actually come off. Other bit's a little bit stubborn, so we might need to just use, a bit of the pink stuff, but a little bit of short time today, so just do what I can. Things are coming off. There you go. So the discoloration is not actually going away, but all the lime scale that was built, that was inside, is slowly coming off. I might just need a different day to just solely focus on working on the discoloration of this. But apart from that, all the dirt and grime has come off. So rinse it off. All done. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to leave this to drip dry on the inside of the shower. And I'm just going to work my way around the screen and remove all the products that would have been left on the screen so we can have a nice, clean, and streak-free shower. That's all the water collected. The bathroom and the bathtub are now clean and dry. I'm just going to grab my microfiber cloth just to polish everything up. Tap. Give that a quick dry. Just slide it across. Alright, and it's back on. There you have it. A nice clean shower with the screen looking all sparkly, the bathtub all sparkly and clean. I'm gonna get my Fabuloso pear drops. I'm going to pour it down the drain. And there you have it, guys. A nice clean bathroom sink, clean shower, nice clean shower heads, all sparkly in there. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I hope this video gave you all the motivation that you've been looking for to complete all the tasks that you have been putting off. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.